Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the BlackShark V2 Pro and preparing a clean connection. This prevents partial firmware states. First, charge the headset above 20% or plug in via USB-C so the unit won't die mid-reset. Once done, remove the wireless USB dongle from your computer and close Razer Synapse. That ensures the software doesn't reapply settings during the hardware reset. Make sure you have device management open on your PC so you can redetect the headset after the next. Now perform the factory reset using the headset controls. This restores default radio and audio settings. Press and hold the power button together with the mic mute button for about 10 to 12 seconds until you see the rapid LED blinking followed by a steady blue. That sequence signals the reset completed. After that, reinsert the wireless dongle, and if pairing doesn't auto-start, press the dongle pairing button while the headset is on. This forces a fresh pairing and clears prior device bindings. Finish by reconfiguring and verifying everything works. You need to confirm audio paths and firmware. Plug the dongle into the same USB port, open Razer Synapse, and install any firmware updates. This fixes stability and compatibility. Next, test headset audio and microphone in Windows sound settings and enable 7.1 if you use virtual surround. If you still see problems, try power cycling the dongle and headset once more. If that fails, repair from scratch and consider testing a different USB port as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.